everyone, welcome back to Sanjana's Hobby Time. Today we are going to learn how to make a clock craft. The materials required are thermocol, paper, pencil, scissors, foam sheet to make the clock's hands and Roman numbers, glue, any decorative items and scale. Let's get started. First we are going to stick the paper on top of the thermocol. Now I am going to decorate the border using sparkle tape. It should look like this. Next we are going to mark the center and the position of all the numbers. We are going to stick the Roman number and hands on the markings. I have already kept it ready. It looks like this. Next I am going to stick the hands using toothpick. Our beautiful clock is ready and the hands can move. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.